I'm always improving the creative, because if a video is better, your conversion rate is just going to be much higher. So I made a much better video. I took all my proven and best ad sets and put it into a separate CBO campaign to test for this new video. Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll be talking about how to go ahead and scale your product to the next level with a new video, and how you go about transitioning to a new video that will potentially lead you to a much higher conversion rate. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, tag your Instagram, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Stick to the end where I go ahead and reveal to you guys my strategy to scale winning products even further. But let's get right into the video. So as you can see, this month I launched the store literally on the 2nd of September. The next day got sales straight away. This is a one product store. Literally spent like 3 to 4 hours setting it up, scaling it up, and yeah, it's been running pretty well. The day has just started and I already hit 1K. It is a Sunday or Saturday in US, so these are the days you definitely want to scale. So you always want to lead scaling and launching for Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday you want to just be killing. Alright, as you can see, I've spent nearly $10,000 in advertising and we've got $14,000 in return. And this is just testing phase. So right now I've probably made, since the profit margin is quite large, I probably made, this gives a gap of 4 grand. I probably spent 2 grand on cost of goods. So I probably netted roughly 2 grand over the past 10 days, which isn't too bad. That's $200 every single day automated, because I have a VA running this whole store. As you can see, the ROAS are pretty high, but I started with a normal campaign with all the interest targeting and all the lookalike audiences. Then I use a strategy, which I'll probably show you guys soon, where I take all the best ad sets within the first testing campaign and I put it into a CBO campaign, and I start at $500. Then the CBO campaign, I take all the best ad sets in the CBO campaign, I duplicate it, and I created one for $100 just for Facebook newsfeed. Right now, this CBO campaign is currently IG feed, but as you can see, Facebook newsfeed mobile definitely has potential. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and go into the CBO campaign. As you can see, we've got a bunch of ad sets running with the CBO. It's automatically being spent. I'm going to sort it by highest ROAS. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select anything that is above 1.4. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it into a new campaign, 023. Product name, CBO top, CBO $500 ad sets over 1.4 ROAS. New video creative version 2. This is the new video creative version 2. I got all the top CBO $500 ad sets over 1.4 ROAS. Duplicate. So what you're doing is you're bringing all the best ad sets and you're going to test it with a brand new creative and see how that performs. So for this, I'm going to keep everything as is, $20 worldwide. Edit placements. I'm going to do both Facebook newsfeed and Instagram newsfeed. I'm going to go to the campaign. I'm going to turn on CBO. I'm going to probably start this at $100 with this new creative as well. I'm going to go to the ads. I'm going to change posts. The editor is going to blur it out now, but I'm going to go ahead and select the newest video that I just created. Close. And I'm going to go ahead and publish. And that's the video. So I'm going to give you the theory. What I'm doing is I'm always improving the creative, because if a video is better, your conversion rate is just going to be much higher. So I made a much better video. I took all my proven and best ad sets and put it into a separate CBO campaign to test for this new video. So I'm able to give it the best test possible by giving it the best ad sets to test this new creative. And yeah, that's how you go ahead and test a new creative for your winning product in the best possible way. Question of the day: how do you go ahead and create new creatives? How do you test it? What's your testing strategy every time you find a winning product and you want to test other better creatives. Other than that, hope you guys found value in this video. I literally took you guys into the back end. I showed you guys the number for one of these stores I set up over the past 2 weeks. I'm really transparent and I'll show you guys that, I still know what I'm doing. I'm really excited to scale this product out, and I'll have a lot of videos coming soon just about scaling, finding winning products, testing different products using your current existing data. I'm going to be going over so many strategies, so you guys are going to want to be subscribed because I'll be dropping value every single day. Other than that, hope you guys like the video, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.